NNE stock analysis and NNE stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play and everything. And as the only guy in this space that's actually done 42,000 videos, and look, I'm not making millions, but at least I've seen what's actually printing me consistent money and what's not. It's taken me 5 years. And I've showed you guys, you know, so I've seen, it's all documented on my YouTube channel. Especially with 9. You know, my previous bias here was that if there was a double break, I was willing to take it further down. And it didn't happen, you know, it didn't happen, but just because I took no trades. The idea was wrong, and that's, I'm totally fine to say that, but if no trades got taken, why is it a bad thing? I was expecting something that didn't quite happen. Okay, and what? So currently looking at 9. I like how it's pumping up quite hard, and I'll definitely am open-minded for maybe doubling down on this long side, but it will only matter if it gives me the rules, you know what I mean? So that means like a potential pull down and a shift, and then only then I'll be buying. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.